Hey, I'm Bill Warner with Bill Warner and Son Towing and Recovery. We built this 1988 Peterbilt for the build off at Louisville, 25. Been about 6 months working on it, kind of day and night. Yeah, we pretty much took every bolt out of the frame on this truck. Every spot's been painted on it. New light bar. The fenders are WTI. We actually painted them, painted the underneath of them. They're all painted on the back side of them. The frame's all painted inside and out. Like I said, every bolt's been out of the frame from front to back. We stretched the truck about 10 inches. Aluminum fifth wheel plate. It's got a one-piece fifth wheel plate on it, solid steel. We actually put our name and stuff on the shocks. You know, just something out of the box a little bit. It's got Dynaflex pipes, all new stack brackets, stainless stack brackets. All the cab panels are new on the sides, reinforced and thickened. Put panels underneath of it to kind of give it a cleaner look underneath the cab. It's a 550 cat electronic with a late model 13 speed. All new air tanks, air tank bands, straps for the tanks. We did chrome valve covers. All the transmission rear ends is all the textures took off of all the metal to make it slick. The hangers has all been, the texture took off of them so they're slick. All new cab jacks and everything. All the brass has been polished. All the water lines is all green hose. Basically two new fuel tanks. All braided stainless hose on all the brake lines. All new green, completely through the airlines are all green airline hoses. The interior is all diamond tuck. Randy Martin did it in Pennsylvania. The floor is all rockwood. These panels here is all custom made with a logo in that. It says Warner Gang in that. A buddy of mine had that made for me. These pieces here is all new stainless steel. The steps are original, they're just been polished out. We put our name on the cab jacks just to kind of accent it a little bit. Custom made bumper from a friend of mine, Jeff Itling. He built that whole bumper. It's boltless, can't see no bolts, it's all lit up from behind. Disc brakes on the front. Of course, some custom made mud flat brackets with our name in them. We actually changed the headlights. It had square lights. We put the round old school headlights. Made this panel here, it's custom to kind of fill in a little blank underneath the headlights. Custom grill from Roadworks. They put our name in the grill for us. Extra bars. It's got bus glass for windshields and a few extra cab lights, and the sun visor is all chromed, a new sun visor. Did the new style doors, took out the wing glasses and put the new style latches and everything in it. The paint's all base coat, clear coat, PPG. We call it the Hillbilly Hampton, kind of catchy name. Well, that's for my grandson. He's 9 years old. This is his truck. He lives in California, and he's going to be moving back before long, so we just figured we put that on there for him. You know, you've heard the song "Take Me Home, Country Road," so that's kind of what that is about. He loves Legos, so we did the Lego thing for him, and we even bought little Legos to give away to all the kids that come by. We've been coming to Louisville for about 26 years. We've won a little bit and lost a whole lot down here, but we have fun every year, so it's all about having fun. Whether you win or lose, we'll be back next year with something.